Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we talk a lot about home decor. So if that's your kind of thing, I would love it if you subscribe and also follow me over on Instagram. My name over there is MyJessicaJ. In today's video, we're talking all about new items that have released at our favorite stores. We're gonna talk about CB2, Crate & Barrel, take a little peek at Target. I have my computer right here, so I'll be looking back and forth. Now, my last video, I did talk about a new sideboard that I was getting, but we'll talk more about that in my dining room update video because I made some changes and I wanna share all the details in a video coming up. And also, I'm a little under the weather, so I apologize if I sound a little nasally. I feel like I cannot catch a break when it comes to getting sick lately. So let's talk about Crate & Barrel first. So Leanne Ford came out with a new collection at Crate & Barrel. She's no stranger to Crate & Barrel. She came out with the collection with them before. And her style is very, or at least the items that she's releasing to Crate & Barrel, it's very like modern, organic, very like raw. Now her style as a whole isn't really my style, but I can appreciate it and actually like some pieces in her collection. So modern organic style might not be your thing as well, but there are pieces that you can definitely implement in your style, whether you're organic, bohemian. I think she even has some more transitional pieces as well. So let's dive deep into it and let's check it out. So right off the back on the website, it says now trending bench cushions. I have been seeing a lot of bench cushions lately. It seems like a good idea, like when you're just lounging on the couch, relaxing, and you don't have to worry about falling into the corner or losing things into the corners. But I think about when you need to flip a cushion or whatnot, you gotta flip that whole thing. So depends on how you feel about that, but I do actually really love the look of it. And from experience with my sectional, I love when there's a pillow, some kind of pillow here on the edge next to the arm. It definitely protects the arm against, dirt and all that. So I love that little touch. Okay, these lamps, I had to talk about these lamps with you guys. They're the Noon floor lamp. And you know what? I don't know how I feel about it. I can definitely see this in a certain type of home, going for a certain type of look. You guys have to let me know what you think about some of these items as well. I do actually really like the pendant light though. I think the pendant light is absolutely gorgeous. I would love, honestly, to put this in my backyard area if I could. So I have a covered patio in my outdoor area, and I thought there were gonna be 3 lights kind of spaced evenly from each other. I only have 2 and the center is just bare. So my idea is just to add 2 ceiling fans, but if I could add a pendant light, this one would definitely be it. If you're going for that modern, organic California type of feel, I think that this will look gorgeous in your home as well over your dining table. They actually have a picture of the black one in a living room setting, and look at that. I love the way they have this set up. It's very organic, very inviting, very warm, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now they're also releasing this dining table, and the thing with this dining table is actually made with solid pine. It does give me a little bit of a farmhouse feel. They did kind of put a little spin to it with these rounded edges. You guys know contemporary style is all about the rounded edges right now, not so much the square straight lines anymore. So I can definitely see this in a transitional space. I think it looks very cozy and very homey. I love how they have it actually set up right over here, and they have this beautiful ottoman. Like I said, the contemporary style is all about the curves, the edges. That's what's definitely trending right now. And I love the mix between transitional pieces and super modern pieces. And then we have to talk about these Martini Boucle backless counter stools. Do you guys see these? They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. I would have loved to see the footrest in a brass or a black. You guys know I love the contrast between a black and a white. But I mean, the white oak actually looks really nice as well. But those are really, really gorgeous. They also came out with these beautiful curved dining chairs. I do need to see some of those in person. I've seen that style before, and I need a higher back for my bar, or for my dining chairs at least. Bar stools I feel like you can get away with, it also depends on your style. I feel like bar stools you can get away with a lower back, but for me personally, I like just a little bit of a higher back. These actually do remind me of those yummy curved accent chairs she came out with. I forgot the name of them, but I'll pop a picture here. That's what they remind me of. So it's just another version of that. And that one is actually beautiful. I've seen it in person, I've sat in it, and it's definitely a staple piece. Another piece that caught my eye is the Jimmy upholstered cream boucle bench. You guys see that boucle is not going anywhere. I've seen something similar. I want to say on the Wayfair website. I don't know if it's still available over there. I'll see if I can find it, and I'll link that one down below as well, so you guys can compare both of them. If you're interested in that piece, you want to save a little bit of money. So CB2 has 2 collaborations for their summer collection. Their first one is by Lawson-Fenning. Their style here, they're based out of California, and it says that their style is that California modern style. I see some very organic pieces, but it was giving me mid-century vibes. I see a lot of walnut pieces. I actually do love walnut, but yeah, it's just really giving me very much mid-century. Oh, no, the Bishop Ebonized Wood Credenza. That's what caught my eye when I first saw that. Check out the legs on this item. I mean, that is just gorgeous. I love seeing items that just really think outside the box, something a little bit different. That's a piece I definitely want to see in person to check it out, and it's made in India. But check out the brass detail. I'm guessing it's a push open for the drawers and the cabinets. That's probably my favorite item from this collection. For all my people who are craving some color, I think you should check out the Azia collection. Now, she's known in the fashion world for her vibrant colors, but I mean, her stuff is reminding me of Greece. I mean, look at this blue tone over here. I think it's so fun and fresh. I actually really love it. Now, I'm loving the whole silver bar stools and the chairs and the nesting tables. I think that will make such a statement. And check out the dishware as well. She came out with these fun colors, and I am actually eyeing these straws right here. I think that would be so fun for summer. So if you're in the market to add some color to your backyard, or you want to add some of this dishware and use it for, I mean, even if you want to have something indoors as well, definitely check these pieces out. Okay, let's move on to Target. You guys know we're big fans of Target over here, but one thing I'm not a fan of is the Target website. I just feel like they can make it a little easier to navigate through. That's all I'm saying. They came out with some new items as well. I feel like Hearth and Hand really caught my attention more than the other collaborations. It's still early though. I'm sure we'll see more pieces trickle out as well. But it looks like they're gearing up for the summertime. I'm definitely going to check out some of their hosting pieces, like these wire barbecue baskets, probably meant for like hot dogs and some chips, or like a burger, French fries. I mean, I never thought I needed an item like that until now. And also this metal screen food dome. I don't know about you guys, but the flies get kind of crazy around here. So I think that's one item I actually need to pick up. She also has this woven caddy, which I think is absolutely adorable. And this kids metal outdoor table set. Oh my gosh, it's $249. It says when purchased online, so I don't know if the price is higher in stores. I don't know. It says coming soon, but that is adorable. If you guys have little kids, that would be something worth picking up. She also has these cushion outdoor or wooden outdoor club chairs, and I love how the cushions look substantial. It doesn't look inky dinky or whatnot. It looks very plush, so I love that. And the color looks really good too. It doesn't look off or anything like that. I would love to see some of these pieces in person though. And then also the metal outdoor club chair set. Looks like they have an ottoman, they have a bench and chairs. Ooh, and look at the chase as well. Target is stepping it up. You know, Hearth and Hand is going to come with it when it comes to the entertainment pieces as well. You know, Joanna plays no games when it comes to entertaining. So yeah, I definitely encourage you guys to check out the Target website. The more these collections keep coming out, it's just getting better and better, and the prices are still staying pretty affordable, so I love that. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and chatting with me about home decor. I love talking with you guys and talking about home decor, new releases coming out and all that. As always, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys soon in a new video. Bye.